Oh, come on! Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another episode on the channel. If you do like this video, hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. So today we're going back at the Miata. We're gonna be working on some other stuff. Right now, we're gonna put a hold on the fuel situation. If you guys didn't check out what happened last episode, you should go watch it. But pretty much, I pulled this bad boy out of my fuel tank. So we're gonna be looking at some other things that are going on with the car to make sure that we don't have more damage to the car than there might be. So I'm going to be jacking up the car right now, and we're pretty much going to be doing a fluid check on it, just going through all of the stuff. And what it looks like to be right now is, if this is a flood car, which it's looking more and more like it will be, I need to make sure that all the fluids are drained out of the car, so that way there's no issues with the car later down the line. We are going to be, so pretty much we're gonna be changing the oil right now, get that all taken care of. Probably gonna try and tackle the interior a little bit more, and we're gonna start taking apart as much of the interior as possible. I've been wanting to do that for a while now, so I think it's just time that I just start doing it and get it taken care of. So yeah, let's go ahead and jack up the car. All right, so the car is jacked up all four corners. It's nice having all the jacks on the car, so now I can freely move underneath everything and do anything that I need to do. So we're gonna get everything set up to start doing the oil change right now. So I got a little distracted kind of looking at the car and everything. While I finished taking off the plastic cover underneath the car, it gave me a better look at what was needed to be done to the car. So I have created said list basically of what I have guessed on the car already. So yeah, that's a lot of that I have to do, and that's just from looking at the front of the car from underneath. Now the good thing is the body, from what I can tell, is still in good condition, but obviously once I tear more things apart, we'll see how bad everything really is, and we'll go from there. But I've been trying to get this bolt off for the past who knows how long. I sprayed PB Blaster on it multiple times. I let it sit for a bit, but we're now using our new wrench that I haven't been able to use this whole time, or that I haven't used. I was using this the entire time. As you can tell, there's a huge difference on how much room I have, so hopefully this will, oh my god, hopefully this will be what I need to get this nut off. Oh. Yeah, leverage, people. I struggled with that for about 30 minutes. It looks dark. All right, so I found where the oil filter is. So we're gonna hope that I can get it off. So I have terribly bad luck when it comes to oil filters. I was struggling to get it off. I sprayed with PB Blaster, like tried to get off with multiple tools. I just can't do it tonight. And I don't want to waste my energy doing that, spending like an hour trying to take it off and whatever. So I took out the seats that are already f***ed up, and this is what I find underneath. It's just chaos. I wonder what the driver's side is going to be like, because that's still rusted, but I got the 2 bolts off and I've got another bolt coming off. So like I've only got 1 left, so fingers crossed that I can do a clean removal on the driver's side so I can at least keep one of the seats. All right, so I just got confirmation. I was going to try and keep this driver's seat intact, but I'm probably going to replace both of them with bucket seats anyways. So I got permission from Grammy. We're sending it. Oh, yes. Give me. Oh, come on! Die. Woo! Now I can take out the carpet. So this was the original hole that we were worried about. So that's what we're dealing with. We're gonna see as time goes on what we can do with that. It doesn't look like it can't be fixed. With that being said, I'm excited, but I need to go to the drawing board and figure out, I need to get a list of tools of everything that I need. I need to get a list of parts for the car, which it's consistently evolving as the car becomes more and more, as it gets torn apart more and more things are coming up that need to be done to it. So we're just gonna see how things go and kind of roll with the punches. If you did like this video, hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I release videos, and comment down below what you want to see on the channel to the Miata or the Speed 3. And I can't thank you guys enough for being so supportive and watching all the content, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.